Hi, this is Imposter, and this goes over an overview of how to install the NirvanaOS AME Playbook from a fresh install of Windows. As we can see, we first need to grab the file, so we'll do that. Don't. And we find the custom Nirvana playbook here. Now you're going to want to run the AME wizard. There are a few glitches in this process, so this is why I'm making this video. As you run the AME wizard, a window will show up telling you to select a playbook. You can simply drag and drop over to here. Make sure that we select the right one. And now we have to disable security because Windows will think that this is a virus. Now that Windows security is disabled, you can close this window. Click Next. It'll analyze your installation to make sure you're compatible. Please note that NirvanaOS playbooks are private and as such are unverified by AME. However, we will work to get out a public version. You accept the terms and conditions of the NirvanaOS playbook, and we select the options. Usually I go with enabling Defender, enabling all mitigations. This isn't actually all mitigations, it's the default mitigations, as enabling all mitigations would cause problems with performance. We disable automatic Windows updates. We uncheck disable core isolation, because it's not recommended. We keep the snipping tool app, and we choose a browser. I choose Zen. And we also select everything search. Now we click Next. And a nice little info box will pull up after the playbook has been extracted. That'll give you a live log of everything that's going on. So you can see where any errors happen or anything. Right now it's optimizing PowerShell, it's running the ngine.ps1 command. This may take a while. Keep in mind I'm running under a virtual machine. We opt out for PowerShell telemetry. It cleans up the disk and disables the step recorder. Cleaning up the disk does not mean it wipes everything. It just cleans up all the garbage that your disk has accumulated. Now it's running software.ps1, which is our installer. It's installing every Visual Studio C++ runtime, which is important for multiple programs to run. Please note that NirvanaOS is a fork of AtlasOS, so you will see some AtlasOS references here and there. NanoZip is being installed, which is an alternative to 7-zip. Legacy DirectX runtimes to help with your games. And now we install everything. It's gotta go through and install the Visual C++ runtimes again. Thankfully, this is very quick on the second time around, as you already have them installed. However, as I'm on a virtual machine, it does suffer some performance loss. You'll see the everything setup pop up. And you can go on setting up everything right now, or you can wait until all the utilities are done. I would say uncheck this. It seems that we've, got that bugged. Downloading everything, installing everything. It's extracting legacy DirectX runtimes again. And now it's downloading our browser choice, which is Zen. As you can see, Zen has been quietly installed in the background. It's disabling file sharing for security and disabling location for security. Now it's removing Microsoft Edge. And Edge has been successfully removed, as you can see here. Now it's removing the AppX from Microsoft Edge and OneDrive. It is making changes to the user hive and adding a no telemetry package. And now it's going to purge all the AppX packages, including GitHub Copilot, well, Microsoft Copilot, which is referred to as spyware. And you can see just all this bloat going away. Every single bit of it. All their registry keys, everything. Now it's tweaking the network settings so that they're faster. And changing the start menu. And now it's going to set the theme. For Matera, I've set a custom theme. It's also set the lock screen image. Startup and shutdown are being tweaked. As you can see, we now have a left-aligned taskbar. Default mitigations have been set for Atlas. And it says finish. Please reboot your device to reply finish. So we're gonna uncheck this, close this window, the log window. We're gonna close the AME wizard. You can do this fine. Now we're going to set up everything. Click OK. I agree. Next. Now you want the everything service. And you're just gonna want pretty much everything here. Install it. And we can go without running it. Now we can restart. As you will see, a custom lock screen has been set. And everything else should be fine. This is how to install the beta of NirvanaOS. There will be changes coming in the future, so look out for that. Thank you, and have a good day.